Welcome to our guide on how to download consolidated reports from Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account to view and access management reports. Navigate to the Business Reports tab and click Management Reports. To download the consolidated report, click on the ellipsis icon in the top right corner of the Management Reports page and select Download Consolidated Report. Choose the desired month for download and then click on the Download button to initiate the process. Once you click on the Download button, a confirmation message will appear. The report will then be generated in the Data Export section of Docyt, where you can easily access it. Click on the notification for the Data Export section to open. To download the report, click on the ellipsis icon and choose the option Download. This will initiate the process of downloading and consolidating all the reports into one Excel spreadsheet. And there you have it. You have now learned how to export all management reports for a given month into one Excel file. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.